Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Plus. So today I'll be discussing the topic on the simplification of mathematical expression. So this video will be, I hope everyone will like, because everyone may get the basic knowledge how to simplify a mathematical expression, where we will be finding to add, subtract, multiply, divide, then uses of brackets, different types of brackets and all, and how to solve within the brackets by using your BODMAS rule. Before that, I want to discuss that there are 4 types of operations in mathematics. What are they? Four types of operations in mathematics. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The addition has a sign like this, plus sign we say it is. Then we say this sign is for subtraction, that is said as the minus sign. And this is for multiplication, a cross sign. Then division, you can see a bar is there and 2 dots below and above the bar. Okay. So we will see how we are using these operations in simplifying the mathematical expressions using this simplest rule, that is the BODMAS rule. Hope you got it. So we must be knowing about different numbers. They are like whole numbers, natural numbers, integers, fractions, decimal fractions, and rational numbers. So these numbers, you know, the symbols are for whole numbers is W. The natural numbers are symbolized as N. Then integers are Z. Then rational numbers as Q. So these symbols we already know. But how these symbols are, how these numbers are added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided, we will be knowing by using this simple rule, BODMAS rule. So let us enter into some examples. Let us discuss some examples so that we can know the use of the BODMAS rule in evaluating or finding the value or simplifying the mathematical expressions. But before that, I want to discuss this BODMAS rule. So BODMAS, you can see from BODMAS, you see if I remove B and O, you will do what? BODMAS rule. That means what? First, whatever operations will be given, if division is there, first you have to go for division. First you have to solve for division. Then you have to, whatever result you will be getting, you will look for multiplication and use multiply. Then you will be going for adding the numbers. Then lastly will be subtracting or solve the numbers which are involved in subtraction. So division, multiplication, then adding, and then subtracting. And finally what you are going to get, and the answer is obtained. So this is also a rule to be followed, because before BODMAS we must know this rule, BODMAS rule. To understand this rule, let us take one example. Since we know there are different kinds of numbers, whole numbers, natural numbers, integers, fractions, rational numbers, decimal fractions. So let us take a simple one to understand this. Like it is given, simplify the expression. What is the expression? 4 plus 5 minus 6 minus 4 plus 5 plus 11 minus 7. So here you can see some numbers are with plus sign and some are with minus sign. That means we must also know the properties of whole numbers and properties of integers. Then only we can add or subtract. So since it is a simplification part, we must know the properties of integers, whole numbers, properties of fractions, properties of rational numbers. So many things you have to know before going into this simplification of mathematical expression. So in this case, what you see, only plus or minus sign is there in the expression. That means we can add and then subtract. According to the BODMAS rule, you have to search for division, then multiplication, then is your addition, then your subtraction. But here you don't find any division sign or multiplication sign. That means what you have to do first, we have to add first. So just regroup the numbers which are having plus sign. So it is 4 plus 5, then plus 5 again, then plus 11. So all the positive numbers I have grouped here. Then all the negative numbers I will write in here. Minus 6, minus 4, minus 7. And you know, all positive numbers will be added with each other. So if I add this, 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 11, so what it will be? It will be like 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 11, it is 25. Then all negative integers, if you remember the properties of integers, addition of integers, subtraction of integers, so you know all the negative integers are added. Like suppose if I state an example, minus 2, minus 4. What does it mean? How much is the result? Here minus will be taken common, 2 plus 4. How much it is? Minus 6. That means what we are doing? We are adding 2 and 4 and assigning a minus sign. So like that here what you have to do? We have to add 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 17. Then you have to put a minus sign, a minus 17. So what will be the answer here? Plus 8. You may write plus 8 or you may write simply 8. So this is a simple mathematical expression, but it has used the BODMAS rule, isn't it? So nicely understood, I think, hope so. So let us take another example which will be involving these 4 operations: division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So the mathematical expression, let us take like 20 divided by 5 into 3 plus 6 minus 2. Simple one I have taken. So like the BODMAS rule, or as per the BODMAS rule, what do you see? There is a division sign, there is a multiplication sign, and there is a plus sign, there is a minus sign. That means 4 of the operations have been stated here. So let us see. It is like is equal to, first you have to do what? Division. So 20 divided by 5, how much? It is 4. Then write this expression as it is. Next step is what? Multiplication. Because no division sign is there. Don't think that only one division sign will be there. There may be 3 or 4 division signs. There may be 3 or 4 multiplication signs also. So you have to operate accordingly. But the rule is same. First division will be completed, then multiplications will be done, then they will be added if addition will be given, then we will be going for the last step, that is subtraction, and finally the answer. Now 4 into 3 how much? 12. Then plus 6 minus 2. Then what we have to do? We have to add it. It is 18 minus 2. How much it is? 16. Which is the answer. We got to know how BODMAS rule is used in particular. I hope this is understood. So students, I think all of you must have understood whatever rule I have discussed today. The BODMAS rule, and we have gone through 2 examples to understand this rule, how we have used this rule in simplifying those 2 mathematical expressions, and we got the correct result. Hence I come to the end of this topic today, and I'll be discussing in my next video the use of BODMAS rule, that is BODMAS rule, BODMAS rule, in which you'll be finding the use of different types of brackets, and you'll be also finding these operations in mathematics, that is division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, and this O will be discussed in detail in my next video with few examples whatever I have discussed. So please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Maths Plus, so that you can help me to help you all to some extent. Thank you. Have a nice day.